Okay, so the question is asking what is the time complexity of the code below? And as we can see here, we have a nested for loop with in I equals 0, I less than size, I plus plus, and then the inside for loop is in j equals 0, I less than size, and j plus plus. And so these are two very normal for loops. We don't have any divided by 2, multiplied by 2, or anything like that. So O(n) squared, so that might be right because our outside for loop is O(n), and our inside for loop is also O of n. So that is probably right. O log of n is not right because we don't have any divided by 2 or multiplied by 2. O(n) factorial is definitely not right. And O of 1 is not right because we're traversing and it's not constant time. So the correct answer is O(n) squared.